Hi students, I am S. Leela Lalita Kumari, lecturer in English, Sarsiya Reddy College for Women, Eluru. I am going to deal with fourth semester Communication and Soft Skills, Paper 3. Today we are discussing about the topic Positive Attitude. Let us see about attitude. Attitude is how one behaves towards somebody or something. It is one's personal view, opinion, or judgment. It also describes one's general emotional approach towards a person or situation. Attitude means the way we react to the persons, places, and things. It is the way you look at things. In psychology, an attitude refers to set of emotions, beliefs, and behaviors towards a particular object, person, thing, or an event. Attitude is the foundation of one's personality. As we all know that attitude can be of two types. One is positive attitude, another one is negative attitude. Let us see the difference between positive attitude and negative attitude. Here, look at the picture. The glass is half full and half empty. If a person says that the glass is half full, that is positive attitude and he is optimistic. If another person says that the glass is half empty, that is negative attitude and he is pessimist. Same glass and same water, but two different perceptions. One is positive, one is negative. So attitude is very important. It is our inner reflection. In communication, if you are positive, your words and way you express the particular statement will be positive. If you are negative, your statement will be in negative. So positive attitude means positive attitude is a way of thinking where the focus is on good in people, situation, and events. Means the people with positive attitude always try to look at the brighter side of life, though there are many problems in their lives. Positive attitude always look at the brighter side of life. Negative attitude. Negative attitude is a way of thinking where the focus is always on the bad in people, situation, and events. The people with a negative attitude always try to look at the darker side of life, though there are many good things happening in their lives. Now, I am giving you a word, impossible. Do you all believe that word impossible? Commonly people say that I can't do this. It's impossible. The same word impossible can be made possible by just putting one small apostrophe between I and am. And you can make it as I am possible. Nothing is impossible to me. I am possible. The same way, the same word with two different meanings. So here, impossible means negative. I am possible means positive. So we have to possess positive attitude in ourselves. If you have negative attitude, whole world looks negative to you. Positive attitude features. Positive attitude is all about changing our ideas, perceptions, and interpretations about the things around us. That means what ideas come to your mind and your way of looking at things and how you interpret your surroundings and you people you meet, all these things together makes positive attitude. Second one, positive thinking is the capacity to focus on what is right and neglecting what is wrong or unpleasant. Here, we need to focus on what is right for us and leave the negative aspects. Third one, positive thinking is focusing on reality and possibility of happening certain things with confidence and determination. Means positive thinking does not mean blind beliefs. Positive thinking or positive attitude is all about practical and looking at the prosperity about certain things with confidence and determination. Principles of positive thinking. First one, positive thinking looks at self first. We should first look at our strengths and good qualities. Positive thinking looks at self first means introspect yourself and try to find out in what way you were responsible for the result. So we should first look at our strengths and good qualities. Second one, positive thinking overcome hurdles. Hurdles means problems. So it overcomes the opposition and negative thinking from others. If you have positive thinking, you does not worried about opposition. It always try to overcome the opposition and always try to avoid negative thinking. Third one, positive thinking celebrates past victories. However, small old victories helps to gain confidence. Every individual has some past victories. If you remember those moments of your past victories, you will be motivated again and they help you to gain confidence. Fourth one, positive thinking is contagious. Positive thinkers change the attitude of others also into positive way and infuse confidence among them. Positive thinking spreads to others also. If you have positive thinking, you can spread it among the other people. Fifth point, positive thinking removes fear. Fear is enemy to positive thinking, so we should eliminate it first. That means positive thinkers never have fear. They dare to do whatever they like to do. Fear is enemy, so we should eliminate it at any cost. Sixth one, positive thinking is a continuous process. Positive thinking should be part of our personality all through our life. That means positive thinking is not limited to 1 week or 1 day. It is continuous process. It has to be part of your spirit and it has to be part of your moral attitude. So it's not a limited activity. It is our continuous process. Seventh one, it is a result of empathy. Here empathy means understanding. When we place ourselves in the situation of others, we can act in right way. So you need to think about other people and their context, their circumstances, what motivated them to act. And develop empathy, you place yourself in the situation of other. Then you can develop positive attitude. Eighth one, positive thinking creates simple and creative solution. Positive mindset helps to find solutions to problems easily and smoothly. Positive thinking always looks for solutions. It does not worry about the problems. The solutions the positive thinkers look at also very creative and very simple. Ninth one, positive thinking opens the door of success and recognition. For the positive thinking, people's success and recognition come very naturally. 10th one, positive thinking lets you stand special in negative world. Positive thinkers are always considered unique and special in the society. Outside world in present context is becoming more negative and others go on sending negative vibrations. But if you are with a positive attitude, you will definitely achieve success and you can be special person and role model for others. So positive thinkers are always considered unique and special in the society. Let us see advantages of positive attitude. What are the advantages of positive thinking? Why should we develop positive thinking? Let me see. Positive thinking helps you to derive satisfaction from what you do and what you have. Positive thinkers never worried about what they don't have. They derive happiness and satisfaction in whatever activity they perform, whatever the result comes out of that. Second one, positive thinking guides you to success and peace of mind. To have success and peace of mind, you need to have positive attitude. Third one, positive thinking can make reaching your goals easier and more enjoyable. You can easily reach your goals and enjoy the results if you have positive attitude. Fourth one, positive thinking helps you to become a flexible person. If you have positive attitude or positive thinking, you will learn to adjust even in negative circumstances. That means you will be very flexible person and you can accommodate yourself in any type of situation. Fifth one, positive thinking helps you to unfold the world of solutions. If you have positive thinking, world opens you innumerable opportunities. So we have lots of benefits if you have positive attitude. Sixth one, positive thinking helps you to motivate yourself. We all know that self motivation is the best motivation, and positive attitude helps you get motivated yourself. Ways to develop positive thinking. Then, what are the ways to develop positive thinking? First one, having right beliefs. Right belief gives right attitude. Right beliefs gives confidence also. So start believing in yourself. Start believing positively, then it's develop positive attitude. Second one, practicing positive visualization. Hope is rope of success. Try to see good in others. Third one, accommodating with positive association. Good friends help in developing positive attitude. Negative people will instill negative thinking. So avoid those people and establish positive thinking. Develop positive thinking. Fourth one, respecting oneself and others. Be yourself, don't compare with others. We know that comparison is the death of joy. So don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. Fifth one, setting positive goals. Be clear about your goals and plan to achieve them. So have big dreams, plan perfectly to achieve them. Sixth one, being optimistic and realistic. Have the right thinking by analyzing the circumstances. Not just optimism, but realism is required to develop a positive attitude. You cannot live in dreams and imagination. You need to think about the facts and possibilities and plan accordingly. Seventh one, not fearing about failures. As we all know that failures are stepping stones for success. They teach us valuable lessons. So never fear about failures. Breaking the negative habits. Good habits have to be cultivated all the time. You need to remove bad habits, then you can get positive attitude. Ninth one, removing removing the labels imposed by others. Don't get influenced by others negative and discouragement. Others may try to influence you by labeling you, you are a bad person, you are a failure person, like that. But never get carried away by those labels. Thank you.